Alright guys, so I'm gonna get these videos up of working through the relationships, and I decided to wear my Afghani Pashtun tribal hat just to get my hair out of the way, make it easier on myself. I'm gonna work through this in Willow. So this is relationships. This is all going to be about relationships, and we'll see where it goes, all right? So where to start? Where to start? So first of all, I like to set up, when I'm doing these, is to give myself a reference point, one I can always go back to. And so my hand might be up in here holding this, right? Its stability and whatnot. I might be thinking about a 3/4 view, 3/4 over here, quarter view over here. I kind of like this view better. I put these up here for a reason to help me with measurements over in here, all right, where things fall. So if I'm up in here, I can start a lot of ways. That T I was talking about, if it's straight on, like here straight on, the T is here and here, right? But now here, it goes over here. The T's still here. It's still here through here and across here, right? Don't get the T confused with the slope of the nose, all right? It's the axis that goes through there. So let's go in here and let's see what happens. Let's go in here. We're going to go with, we'll start with the T kind of thing, and we'll work it through in here. All right, so I'm going to work in through here. Now I'm going to give myself a 3/4 view, like over in here. That T's level, if I was doing this, it would want to go up. If I was doing this, it would want to come down. But I'm going to try to keep it level over in here, all right? So these are my eyes in here. That's going through the center of my eyes. So over here I can go like, okay, bridge in the nose here. I know I'm not going to jump in on the glasses right away. I'm going to kind of see through them. And I'm going to go in here, down here to the nose. First of all, I want a piece of charcoal that'll draw. Lord. There we go. All right. There. I'm going to go over in here a little bit. Let's bring it down a little longer. Now, all those things I've been talking about in the portraiture, the fine-tuned ones, there's going to happen here too. I'm going to be thinking about where things fall, and I'm going to be looking to make sure I'm measuring up. Right now, I'm just trying to match the slope of my nose to the slope I see, right? A little bit of a nostril in there. A little bit over in here of the cleft, right? And then I can jump back up in here and go like, okay, these are, the eyes are through here. Your eyebrow wants to be up in here, right? Then the furrow in my knotted area there, and there. Now that also could be the top of the glasses, right? So now in here, my eyes are here. I'm going to drop in here. I'm going to pay attention to the slope of my eyes, right? And there, in here. Now I can start to see a little bit of the fold in underneath in there, and I also can work a little bit of the value in here, right? In there and up through here. All right, there. I'm going to drop this in here and here. And as soon as I drop that in, and if I feel good about that size, I can look at the white of the eyes, and it looks like the white of the eyes is a little narrow in there, so I'm going to drop it down into there and up into there. And that's going to come out. All right, so this comes out. Right, there we go, there. I notice my eyes are like in here, the bottom, the flow of the bottom lid is more in here. Shallow dish, you could call. There's some shadow over in here. Just a little mark, not a lot. Get some in here. Little marks, not a lot. Right, now over in here I can go, okay, the eye comes out in here. And then I can start to build this eyebrow in here. Now if I line up in the same spot, right, I'm going to be paying attention to the slope of the nose in there and try to get that right. In there, then I can go in here and go like, okay, this guy's in here. And it comes up like that. All right? Then over in here, it's in here like this. And then down. Now over here I have those shadow marks in here. And in here, right? So I'm going to just highlight those. I can get some shadow in here. A little bit. Soften it up. Right there. In here a little bit more. Soften that up if need be. Also bring that down because that's too much. In there, there. All right, it's rough, but it's starting to happen in here. Over in here, I got a shadow too. So I'm using the shadows to also establish relationships. Right in there. My clefts under there. There. It's lining up again. In here. And in here. Now remember I talked about the distance in here in one of those little drawings I did? Thinking about the same thing. That shape in there. Right? So now I want to drop into my mouth, right? So now I got to stop talking. First we're going to check this. All right, 2 minutes. Let's work on the mouth. In here. All right, here. Now I'm going to go like, here's my nose, right? Here's the nose, the nostril. Little large, there we go, that's better. Bump of the nose and nostril, I should say. That's better. Soften that. We're here. Bump. Tip. Other nostril. Right, now that's starting to pop in there, right? Here's my, from the tip, on the back side is the cleft, right? And I need the distance of it. I don't want to push my mouth too much close to my nose. I don't want to drop it down too far either. So in there I set up. All right, so that's a beginning, right? That is the beginning of it. That's all going to get changed around totally as I develop this. So now we've just established some, right? I don't even care if it looks like me right now. I'm going to start establishing these relationships, and as the drawing goes, then I want to get closer and closer and closer, okay? Things can change in any second here, guys. So this is number one of a few that are coming in today, okay? So I might work on this while this is loading up, and then I'll get you caught up with what I do. These are meant for both the painting and the drawing class, all right, guys? So I hope everybody will get a chance to start watching these tonight as you get into your portraiture work, all right? Talk to you soon.